Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Augustus Philip. If you are new here, please, I would like you to do me a favor, just subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say I really appreciate you for supporting me. Now in this video I want to show you how you can run automatic ads. Okay, I'm not going to be wasting any of your time. I want to get straight to the video. Okay, so in this video I want to show you how you can run automatic ads, okay, for your books in Amazon KDP. Alright, so normally you need to log into your dashboard, you need to log into your account, and if you do that, this is where you get to. This is the interface. For you to run that ads, you need to click here, marketing, or you scroll down to the particular book you want to run your ads on, okay, and click okay. This is the book I want to run the ad on. Okay, so you just come to this point and click promote and advertise. Any of this method will take you to where we are going to. Okay, so you choose the market. See, choose a marketplace. I choose Amazon.com. Alright, and you click go to campaign builder. Okay, so you have a sponsored product and sponsored brand. You click on sponsored product. Okay, continue. That's what we are going to be using. You're not sponsoring a brand, you are sponsoring a product. Okay, you see here add formats. You have two options: custom text and standard ads. So let's leave it at custom text. Okay, here you can select the book you want by the book's title or ASIN, but I've already selected it. Okay, the one I want to use, here is it. Alright, so you scroll down. Under targeting, you can do two types of targeting: automatic targeting and manual targeting. But what we are going to be doing is automatic targeting. Okay, so we leave it at that. We leave it at that. Okay, so this is the bidding. You can choose between 1 cent to $1. Okay, here now the default here is 0.2, that is 28 cents, but I want to change it to 1.5. Okay, I want to change it to 1.5 cents. Alright, okay, so we have nothing to do with negative keyword targeting, negative product targeting. They are all optional, so we just leave that. Okay, so under ads creative, you have to enter a short text that describes your book. Now if you're choosing standard ads, you will not see this. It's because we choose custom, that's why this one show. Okay, so if you don't know what to write here about your book, you can ask ChatGPT. Okay, so I've gotten what I'll write there. I'll just copy it and paste there. Okay. Now, under campaign bidding strategy, you have a dynamic bids, up and down, dynamic bids, down only, and fixed bid. Now this means that that your bid can be charged above, can go higher, and also downward. Okay, if you choose this option, down only means it cannot be above that value. I fix it at 0.15, so I think I'll prefer that. Alright, and fixed, it has to be exactly that amount. Okay, so I prefer that down only. Alright, okay, so you can give your campaign a name. You can use the name of your book for your campaign. Okay. Now when you come to start date and end date, you can just leave the start date. As soon as they review it, it will just go live. End date, most people don't put any date, so I don't also put any date. Select any date for end date. Okay, so that's it. We leave it like that. Now daily budget, I'll choose I'll enter $2. Okay, you can choose any amount depending on how much you have to spend per day, but depends on how well your art is doing. They may not even be able to finish this $2, $5, $10. They may not even, just depend on how well your art is doing. Okay, so you cross-check everything and you now say launch. And as you can see, congratulations, your campaign launched successfully. Okay, and that's it. I'm sure it's very simple. Please like and subscribe.